arrest ama kushika mtu Ijumaa jioni saa 6. Tumebembeleza wao kwamba Oscar Sudi ako tayari, Mheshimiwa Oscar Sudi ako tayari kujiasilisha kesho asubuhi ama Jumatatu, lakini wametuambia lazima waende na Oscar Sudi leo. Nataka kuomba raia kwamba watulie, mkono wa sheria iweze kufuata mkondo wake. But it is very unfortunate that this is happening in this country in this century. It's unfortunate. Why should we have arrest on a Friday at night, almost midnight? Oscar Sudi has been around. He has promised to submit himself to the relevant authorities. But what we are seeing now, I would say, is very unfortunate. He is a leader. He is not a flight risk. He is not just about to get out of this country. And he has said he is ready and willing to submit himself to the authorities. Why we would have more than 100 police officers paraded around his compound is something that will bother anyone. Na sisi tunataka kusema sisi tuko tayari wakati wote kuwasilisha Oscar Sudi. Na ikiwa serikali inataka kutumia nguvu kuvunja compound ama kuvunja gate yake, tuko tayari pia. We are here. We will stand with him as his legal representative, as his friend, to make sure that justice is served. Why should Kenyans? Mumesikia wananchi, nyinyi waandishi wa habari mumesikia wananchi wakipiga nduru. We are likely to have a breach of peace for no good reason. Oscar Sudi should just be summoned on Monday morning, not even now, not even tomorrow, not even on Sunday, because of course, you know, if he is arrested today on Friday, we will not be able to secure him on bond tomorrow, on Saturday, or on Sunday. And if this is how we want to run this country, so be it. But it is unfortunate that this is happening in this time. Nataka kumalizia kusema kwamba sijui, we do not know why Oscar Sudi is being sought for. We do not know the reasons why police have barricaded or surrounded his home. But for whatever reason, we are asking the independent institutions in this country to act independently and in a civil manner. That's all we ask. We should be, and we are able to submit Oscar Sudi anytime. We have even asked them that tomorrow, we know it is on a Saturday, let's bring him tomorrow morning. But what we are being told is that we are going to wait for a long night, not knowing what is going to happen in the morning. But it's okay. We are ready. If this is how we want to do things, so be it. But Oscar Sudi is ready and willing to comply with the law. He's a law-abiding citizen, a leader, a member of parliament. For whatever he has said,